Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another beauty haul and unboxing video. This is the first one of 2021. This features January and February. We are here in January right now with this segment that will also include like gifts and stuff from Christmas, so it's just it's an interesting mix. Anyway, if this is something that you are interested in, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course, keep on watching. I have this Target bag full of stuff that I have been keeping underneath my makeup stand for a few weeks now, or maybe a month, I don't know. And I'm really excited to dive in because I have not touched anything. Of course, with Christmas being Christmas and my parents being awesome, they're like, and plus I love getting stuff that I need. I've always been like that, even as a kid. So it's not like, oh, well, you're getting old. It's like, no. I was excited about fucking socks when I was a kid too, so fuck off. Anyway, of course, the Tresemme. Hello. Now I don't have to put that on my Sam's Club list, you know? I am swimming in Aveeno. So I have two things of Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, fragrance free, blah blah blah. These are both 18 fluid ounces. I just bought those other two big things of lotion too because I was really running like seriously low on like a fragrance free, like just basic moisturizing thing. Now I'm swimming in lotion, which, you know, it's fine. And then the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash, which I got the dial last year from them, like the two big guys, and I still have the other one open. Okay, one more Aveeno thing, Daily Moisturizing Lotion, but this is just a 2.5 ounce, so this can go in, it can go on my desk, it can go in my purse. And something that Dad picked out that I just thought was so adorable because apparently, because they normally, if you remember, one of my holy grail products was the Equate makeup wipes. He would usually get me those. I haven't been using those, and I didn't tell him I wasn't using those. And he's like, I'm sorry I didn't get you those. I'm like, well, I'm not using those anymore. I'm like, if you go to Sam's Club, they have like big boxes of them. He's like, do they really? I'm like, yeah. And he watches all my videos. So yeah, I'm calling you out, fucker. He's like, well, I wanted to get you something, you know, like nicer. So I have Olay. No, it's not the fucking Walmart brand, you know what I mean? Like, what is this? Spongel. Okay, so I think this was this a box? It was either from an Ipsy flash sale or like Boxy add-on. Cannot remember, but the Spongel Salted Rose Mani-Pedi Treatment Set. Okay, well, you got these like little things that are wrapped up, and it says, wet, squeeze to release rich lather, use soft side to cleanse, buffer side to exfoliate. After use, simply squeeze excess water from Spongel buffer. I want to say this is Boxy, so if that might have been with a Boxy, because I think this is Boxy. Juice Beauty Hydrating Mist. Basically a toner. Rosehip oils. Some shit I can't fucking read. Definitely excited for that. Okay, and the last few things are from Tim. They were Christmas presents this year, and I gotta hand it to him. Like, I was pretty surprised. I got a set of sheet masks here, and I've never used this brand before. Skip the Spa Soothing Sheet Mask, Coconut and Shea, and then Calming with Lavender and Chamomile. I think I'm gonna use that tonight because I'm gonna need some lavender. You know what I mean? Why am I fucking talking? And then the Hydrating Sheet Mask, Rose and Charcoal. Really fucking excited. And then he almost spilled the beans, the tea, the answer, the whatever. Because he's like, I got you something. He goes, you don't have it. He's like, you might think it's a good idea. I don't know. Sonia Kashuk. It's a brand that we found in Target. It's a brush drying rack. When I wash brushes, it's a freaking mess. Like, I wash so many. You know, and you really should let them hang free to dry rather than like lay them down, whatever. And I usually just lay them on a towel. So if you look at this, like, this is like really how they're supposed to be. But I was like, well, I do have some nicer brushes. So that is it for this segment. Alright, here's February's segment, y'all. I'm just gonna fucking jump right into it, and then we'll be fucking done with this video, and it'll be fine. Before I ended BoxyCharm, I went ahead and did an add-on, and this was featured, I believe, in my Valentine's Day Get Ready With Me. It's the Morphe by Manny, Emmy palette, and there's a bunch of eyeshadows and a couple highlights. It's absolutely fucking gorgeous. This retails for like 20 bucks. $20 or something like that, or it was around 20. It wasn't super expensive, but still it was like I don't need to spend fucking $20 on a goddamn palette, whatever, because like I have enough shit. When it was on BoxyCharm's list for add-ons for like $6, I'm like, ka-ching. Perfect timing, because I think my last one that I had is actually like running out. But the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrubs, the Moroccan Rose, and I hope this one isn't the porta potty smelling one. I know that fucking sounds weird, but like clean porta potty, cannot remember which one it was, but Jesus Christ. And then the Tropical Mango. So excited for that. Cannot remember if I've used that one before. I can shave my legs and not be in pain. I've been suffering just because I haven't filmed. Anyway, this is the EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream, blah blah blah. If you suffer from like sensitive skin, like bumpy bullshit leg crap or whatever, let me know what you use, what your whole situation is, and yeah, I'm willing to try anything at this point. And then the Tarte, let's see, Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. This is perfect because I was wondering, I'm like, a couple other like toner sprays, but I'm like, I don't have a fucking backup setting spray right now. Well, I have that Laura Geller, but I think that's like a mix and match, and that's in my travel bag that I'm not using because I'm not traveling, so maybe I should just pull it out. Ugh, I'm a mess. I will be using this tomorrow, and I'm so excited. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I have some sheet masks here. This is a Glam Glow Thirsty Sheet SOS Intensive Hydrating Cream Sheet Mask. Cream. Rescue Plump Replenish. 24-hour. And of course, Tony Moly. Hello. The Moisturizing I'm Aloe and the Calming I'm Hemp. Ipsy flash sales. I got a couple bundles here. They're Pacifica products. I don't think I've used sheet masks from these before. Flower Power Rose Stem Cell Targeted Face Masks. Oh, I guess it's just like these little flower patches you can put in a specific spot on your face. Huh. And then the Pollution Fight Blue Algae Urban Defense Facial Mask. Fight the good fight for good skin. These are vegan and cruelty free. And then another like little package situation that was, I believe, an Ipsy flash sale. Totally fucking worth it, by the way. I know this isn't an Ipsy video, but Pacifica Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream for all skin types. Of course, I got all these like fucking face creams and shit, but like tinted moisturizers, oh my god, like I need to get at least something on backup now, like Jesus Christ. And then the Pacifica Mattify Prep Pineapple and Hyaluronic Facial Mask, clear oil and clarify. Fuck, I can't talk, you guys. Yeah, so that is it. I believe this is the, yes, because it's the January-February haul video. So we are at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until the next one.